Headers are the oldest trick in the performance book. They go back to the Model T. And they're also the first thing that most guys add to their car when they start to hot rod it. But what isn't understood about headers is basically how they work. What exactly is going on here. So I'm going to give you the basic, right? This is like Header Basics 101. The header actually is working in conjunction with the overlap period of your camshaft cycle. That's where at the top of the exhaust stroke, both the intake and the exhaust valves are open. During that period of time, what the header does is it uses the pulse from the previous stroke to draw intake through those two open valves and start the column moving into the combustion chamber. At that point, the exhaust valve closes all the way, the intake valve opens, the piston coming down finishes the job. But it's this pulse in the header tube that actually gets the mixture moving. The pulse is running along the tube, it creates a low pressure area behind it, and it sucks the intake through from the intake manifold. The collector also has something to do with that too. So the pulse from this cylinder is heading down the tube. As it goes down, as it heads further down the tube, it starts to lose a little velocity. Well, this one here is firing also. Well, and it could be this one, it could be any of them, but it doesn't make any difference. The tubes all converge here at the collector. And so the pulse from this cylinder entering the collector helps pull the pulse from this cylinder through the pipe. Keeps the velocity up, which keeps the vacuum up on the port side. And that's it. That's basically how headers work. Now, there's tons of tuning variables to these things. And they're very specific to your car, your combination, and how you intend to use the thing. No way to cover all of that in a video like this. But if you understand the basics, then you know where to start researching for your particular combination to find out which is the best primary tube length, diameter, collector length, diameter, and all of that. So, give you something to work on. We picked up these for Project Bottle Rocket. Paid $25 for the pair. They need some serious love on the bottom. We'll get to that next week. But that's it. See you tomorrow.